In this video, I am going to talk about two biggest scams in India. One is marriage and second is spirituality, विवाह और आध्यात्मिकता. स्कैम शब्द का अर्थ क्या है? Basically, scams means, in simple terms, a person or an organization generates money by fraud. Earning money is not wrong, but when you are doing fraud, cheating people, that is a scam, and that is happening in marriage and spirituality. Noble people want to get married to live an organized life and for producing offspring, isn't it? Similarly, noble people who pursue spirituality, they want peace of mind and to attain liberation. But what is happening in both cases, marriage and spirituality? People are losing money, people are losing peace of mind, and people are not getting liberation. I will give some examples. In marriage, maybe through arranged marriage or love marriage, what is happening? Suicide cases, alimony, separation, divorce. People are losing peace, mental peace, and happiness. Just the opposite. People pursue marriage to live a peaceful life, a satisfied life, and just the opposite is happening. And on top of that, some people are generating money by means of marriage. Similarly, in case of spirituality, let me ask you a question. Do you need to join any religious or spiritual organization to be spiritual? Or do you have to do meditation to be spiritual? The answer is no, no, no. You can be spiritual without joining any religious group or spiritual organization or without meditation. Now, why am I talking about this? It is because there are certain groups, organized groups, who generate money by cheating people. They tell, if you do meditation, you will have a better life. But it is not free of charge. They take a lot of money. I will give an example. The ISKCON group. In the name of Bhagavad Gita, what they are selling? Ghee, perfume. So it has become a business-making organization. Spirituality has nothing to do with materialism. Spirituality has to do with soul, our inner consciousness. Yet these organizations, in the name of spirituality, they take money from public, they'll make millions, and they make a big business. And they call it Krishna consciousness, divine consciousness. It is absolutely a way of cheating and deceiving people. So my point here is, beware of these two scams. Stay away from the scams of marriage and spirituality. If you want to get married, be careful. Get to know the other person, their families in totality, and then make a wise decision. With regard to spirituality, my humble suggestion is read a lot, observe. You do not need to spend much money to be a spiritual person. Spirituality is good, but if you have the right path, you do not need a particular guru or any organized religious group. Read, observe and apply. You will become spiritual. That's it. So have a good day, my friends. Thank you for watching this video.